You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this word from French? Pêche is how it's said in French. Now it means two things, either peach, the fruit, or fishing, as in, the fishing fish, right? Both are pronounced and spelled the same way. Pêche. Pêche is how it's said. Pêche. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.